Hi friends, this is MG from Server Guruji channel. Today I am going to tell you how you can install Windows Server 2016 with minimum time. This is very helpful for all of you who are working on domain environment and installation environment. So it is very useful video. Kindly watch the video and subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start. Before you start, you have to download the ISO image from the Microsoft side. Then definitely you will create a boot image or other things. Here I am practice on VMware workstation. Just click on it, and here I already choose the ISO image. Next, and I want to set the password over here. This is the location where is data will be located. If you want to give a VM name, so you can provide here. This is the location where the VM storage file will be stored. Here you can choose the disk size, and is it RAM I choose. If you want to be modified, so you can modify it. 4 GB I choose is 4 GB, and close it and finish it. Now within 5 to 15 minutes you will be install Windows Server 2016 with the help of my video. This is the process which is starting. Also Microsoft has improved the process, starting process, which before that, before 2012 and 16, it take too much time to upload the drivers. You can choose the operating system which you want to install, then click on next. Just now you press the shift plus F10 and type ta task mgr. I will put the command into comment. You can find the command on the comment box as well. So you can see that there are two set of file are running here. So you just right click on one by one on both of one. Right click on it and set priority high. Change priority. And second one as well. Right click on it and set priority high. That's it. And type again exit. Now it will take only 5 to 10 minutes. Within a 5 to 10 minutes your window will be installed. So this is the fastest process to install the any of the operating system. I'm not talking about the only server level operating system. I'm talking also about the desktop. You can also install the 2007, 12, 10 and 11 as well. Also we can install through these options. Server operating system 2008, 12 and 16 and R2 2019. So it is very helpful video. End of the video you can see the how much time it will take. It will not take much more time to complete the setup. So this is very helpful. I'm not pausing the video because I want to show you that how much time it will take the complete the installation of the operating system. This is the reason I'm not pause the video. when we are increasing the setup.exe file, so it will help, it will work on only on a setup file installation of the windows, and other all process work on completely on installation rather than it's missed out. So it's very helpful for all of you guys. So I request to you, kindly watch, subscribe my channel for find the better videos, and within a, also I will share you lots of video regarding the troubleshooting of the servers levels, and finding the solution of best way within the downtime, because nowadays we are working on high level infra. All you are also guys working on a high level infra, so you didn't have a downtime. So how you can perform the task without rebooting the server? So I know those lots of issues every day we face. So the most probably we require is to reboot the servers, but I found the solutions. Without reboot the server we can fix the issue. So this is very important for us. So I request to you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You can see the almost is completed. Just it will reboot the server and your installation will be done. I think most probably within a 5 minutes, 5 minutes it has completed. It will complete it in 5 minutes. So it's better. This is the good video for you. In my channel you can see the all, I will share all the technical video only, because I completed 10 years in IT infra, and I have lots of experience in only server levels. So also you can ask me the questions if you have any questions. So if you have questions and doubts, so you can ask me on my channel, and definitely I will reply on there. So you can see the unit is almost completed. Now you can see the username over here and can be login on the server. It is almost completed. Once again I'm telling you, if anyone have a query, so you can ask me question. Definitely I will make a video that issues. If any persons have a issue, so please ask me a question on chat. So you can drop a message on YouTube, and I will try to resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also if you require any other videos, any installation video of the software applications servers related issues, so you can ask me a query on YouTube, and I will provide the solution. So kindly subscribe my channel, mate. Now you can see that it is almost completed. All, if uh, let's wait how much time. Once again I am telling you, if anyone have query, so please let me know. I will resolve the issue and provide the solution. Also if you want to be get any if you have any doubt, any query, any error, so let me know on YouTube, my YouTube channel. You can press the comment on over there, and I will try to resolve your issue. Yeah. So what I have done on over here is just boot from the ISO image, then complete the pre-requirements like select the language, disk space etc, which is not present into our VMware workstation. And step 3, press shift plus F10, then command prompt, then you can type task mgr over there, and command prompt will be displayed there. You can type task mgr, your task manager will be open. Go on the process and right click on setup, and set priority high T on both exe. So now you can see that almost completed VM. Your VM is ready.